Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a really cute crochet hairstyle. Of course, all the details will be listed down in my description box below. For leave-in conditioner, I'm using the GroBabyGro and some coconut oil. If you guys want the extremely detailed version of how I kind of started the foundation for the braid pattern, how I detangled my hair, front, back, sides, in between, and how I kind of sealed my ends, definitely make sure to check out the other video that I have. It's kind of like a part 1 to this, to be honest. It's just way more in detail for you guys that are beginners and haven't really had too much experience with parting your own hair, having to braid it, not really sure what size to make the boxes and things like that. Definitely make sure to check it out. If you guys are not already subscribed, definitely make sure to do that. And so I did already wash my hair with the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, going through my hair just to detangle with a wide tooth comb. I do this all over my head and kind of put it in some little it's not really a ponytail, but I guess so. Just loose sections so that I'm able to just easily maneuver throughout the hairstyle with no problem. So this part right here, because I went so in detail in the other video, I'm not going to do it in this one. So I will be back once it's time to go ahead and pretty much just put in the hair. Of course, this is a collaboration with Janet Collection. So I definitely love teaming up with them. All the hair details will be listed. And I know you guys are wondering, like, how long did the style take? Literally 2 hours and 23 minutes from start to finish. Obviously not including the wash time, but take a shower and just you have that completed. But anywho, really quick protective style. Should last about 2 months, you guys. I'm in love. I'm literally in love. So if you guys are wondering about edge control, I did go back to the Cream of Nature edge control in the orange top, not the red one, so it's the extra hold. So I love to use that with my braids just because it gives my hair like a nice sheen, keeps it moisturized and hydrated without kind of causing it to shrink up with all the like water that's typically inside of edge controls and things like that. But making my boxes maybe about 1 inch, the size of 1 inch, and then just kind of working my way from there. So you guys have seen me braid 1,000,001 times. I'm still struggling creating a very good educated tutorial on how to plait your hair, so I apologize for that, but you guys will love this, I promise. so that's pretty much that on that for the braid pattern, you guys. I'm really liking how it's looking. Here is the hair, a good whopping 24-inch long passion twist, has a nice cute little twist at the end. You guys, look at this. In each bundle, you're going to get anywhere between 12 to 15 strands of hair. I ended up only using 2.5 packs of hair in total. So this is the reason that in the original video I told you guys that I made the boxes about 1 inch, because the twists are pretty chunky. So you want to keep that in mind when you're sectioning out your hair. You don't want to do a bunch of small boxes because his hair will look really, really bulky. Can't really say wiggy, but just that real like crochet look, and that's what we're trying to avoid. We're giving like crochet a new age modern twist. So once you get the hair in, we'll have some pieces that will not all loop properly. Go ahead and just trim that off and pull it extremely tight. So I'm going to show you this again, of course. Go ahead and take your crochet needle. You're going to go ahead and slide that right underneath your braid. I don't know why that part just played twice. Come on, editing, what's going on? Slide it underneath your braid. Go ahead and open the loop, and open the loop also on the crochet hair. You'll pull that through. Go ahead and make a little knot once you find the opening for the hole, and pull it as tight as you can. This does not cause tension on your hair, of course. You will feel it kind of get tight around the actual braid, but no tension, so you don't have to worry about having like a headache or anything like that the next day. If your hair feels really, really tight, it's more than likely because you braided it tight. Hence, my hair is actually tight right now. But it has nothing to do with the actual crochet. So I'm going to continue this all around my head until I fill it out. You guys usually ask me how many did I do. So I'm looking at these braids right now. I think I have 3, 5, 7, 7. So I have 7 on one side, 7 on the other side. So a total of 14 boxes going across. The illusion is supposed to be for it to be like a box braid, box passion twist type of deal. So I have 14. And then in the back, pretty much just go ahead and fill in from there. I think I did maybe about 5. I think I did 5 strands of hair going down each corn row and then across the back. So you guys do the math for that one. I'm not really sure. The hair was really, really easy to work with. The one thing that I would say is that I wish it was a little bit more soft. So I know that some people like pre-wash some of their hair, especially the Kanekalon hair, before putting it in. I don't know if you guys are using conditioner. Like, I'm not understanding how that may work. I've heard of like the fabric softener, because technically it is like a sort of fabric, I guess. You know, a man-made created type of thing. So I don't know, maybe I'll try that. The hair was really shiny. It definitely looked like a genuine, freshly twisted out style. It did not look weighed down. I still have it in my hair. This is like day 3. Now, of course, obviously you guys can't see it. If you want me to do an update on the hair and how the style kind of lasts, definitely let me know, because I don't plan on leaving it in for 2 months. Obviously, we got bills to pay. We got to keep these videos rolling out. So, yeah, but let me know before I take them out, because I'm definitely planning on having this in for maybe about 7 days. I'll be taking it out and bringing you guys even more protective styles. So don't let this quarantine get you down and have you feeling, you know, some type of way. You guys can still look pretty without having to do the most. Like I said, I got away with 2.5 packs. At most, you're going to need 3. I promise. I guarantee you. So definitely keep that in mind. If they give me any coupon codes, I will list it down in my description box below. And yeah, you don't have to do any hot water, no boiling, anything like that. Just literally slide it in. Go ahead and get that knot going and go. And I didn't have to cut off like these extra strands of hair on every single passion twist. It's really the way that you open it up. And the really good thing about this is I can clearly see how the hair was like hand twisted and things like that, because you can find the loop really, really easy. So just keep that in mind. This is not even really a trial and error type of thing, but it doesn't have to be super perfect. I know that some of you guys may comment that the braids are connecting in between. Keep in mind, I'm going to be wearing these half up, half down. You won't even notice it. And when I'm wearing it down, it won't be a big deal. At least not to me. The goal is a protective style. So it's either you're going to get super nice looking twists without having that little, you know, I guess braid showing, and you're going to put an extra twist there, but then it defeats the purpose. Or you're going to decide to say, you know what, it's worth it. And I think it's worth it. So I don't want to see no comments, okay? Anyway, we are almost at 200K. I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway. I keep saying this. Definitely let everybody know. because once it comes up, you guys are not going to want to miss that. I appreciate you so much. I can't believe I've been on YouTube for this long, just simply doing my hair. Like, who would have thought? I'm going to be bringing a bunch of other like videos. This is for like a whole nother video, y'all. I'm just talking and talking and talking. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy what I have coming for you. Okay. As you guys can see, the hair looks really, really good, really full. I did not have to go overboard. There were some gaps in the back. Gaps are good because the hair is really full. You don't have to worry about it too much. And I'm not going to add any jewelry or anything spectacular to it right now. This is me just kind of discovering that I had, I think, about 9 to 10 strands from the second pack left, I think. Was it like 9? It was a good amount. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Leave any comments or questions down below. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think about the new setup. You guys, this is like a good vibe right now, okay? 2020 is bringing on blessings. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.